In the world of entrepreneurship and innovation, great ideas are often revered and celebrated. However, the truth is that ideas alone are not enough to guarantee success. The myth of a great idea suggests that the brilliance of an idea is all it takes to achieve greatness. In reality, it is the execution of these ideas that truly matters. In this video, we will explore why great ideas often fail to deliver the desired results and delve into examples and tips on how to improve execution for maximum value creation. The myth of a great idea: why ideas alone are not enough. Have you ever had a great idea that you were certain would be a game changer? You were convinced that this idea alone would lead to success, fame, and fortune. Unfortunately, reality often proves that a great idea is just the beginning, not the end, of the journey. The myth of a great idea suggests that the value lies solely in the brilliance of the concept itself. However, the truth is that ideas alone are not worth much if they are not effectively executed. It is the execution of an idea that transforms it into something tangible, valuable, and impactful. Countless examples exist of failed businesses and unrealized dreams that started with brilliant ideas. These failures can often be traced back to a lack of proper execution. An idea without an execution plan is like a ship without a captain. It will drift aimlessly and never reach its destination. So, how can you improve your execution and turn your ideas into valuable outcomes? It starts with understanding that execution is a process, one that requires careful planning, resource allocation, and a commitment to seeing it through. Here are a few tips to help you on this journey. 1. Create a detailed action plan. Break down your idea into actionable steps and set clear goals for each stage of the execution process. This will provide you with a roadmap to success and help you stay on track. 2. Delegate and collaborate. Surround yourself with a team of individuals who can contribute their unique skills and expertise to the execution process. Collaboration fosters innovation and ensures that no aspect of your idea is overlooked. 3. Stay adaptable. Flexibility is key when executing ideas. Be open to feedback, adjust your approach as necessary, and don't be afraid to pivot if circumstances change. Adaptability enables you to navigate obstacles and seize new opportunities along the way. 4. Monitor progress and reassess. Regularly evaluate your execution progress to identify areas of improvement or potential roadblocks. This allows you to make adjustments and keep your execution strategy aligned with your overarching goals. Remember, a great idea is just the starting point. It is the execution that determines whether an idea becomes a success or fades away as a missed opportunity. By focusing on effective execution and taking the necessary steps to bring your ideas to life, you can transform them into valuable outcomes that make a lasting impact. The power of execution: how to make ideas work. Ideas have the potential to change the world. We've all had those light bulb moments when a brilliant idea strikes us, and we're convinced it's the next big thing. However, the harsh reality is that ideas alone are not enough. The true value lies in how effectively those ideas are executed. Successful execution is the driving force behind turning a great idea into a reality that creates value. Take, for instance, the story of Steve Jobs and the creation of the iPhone. The concept of a touchscreen phone was not entirely new, but it was the meticulous execution of design, user experience, and marketing that propelled the iPhone to revolutionary success. Similarly, in the world of entrepreneurship, countless startups with groundbreaking ideas fail to make an impact due to poor execution. It's not enough to have a fantastic product or service. One must also focus on factors like market research, branding, customer acquisition, and operational efficiency to ensure success. To improve execution, start by developing a detailed action plan, setting clear goals, and assigning responsibilities. Regularly monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. Embrace feedback and iterate, constantly striving for perfection. Learn from successful examples in various fields, such as Elon Musk's SpaceX or Amazon's relentless commitment to customer satisfaction. Remember, ideas are merely the first step. It's the execution that truly matters. By implementing effective strategies and learning from real-world examples, you can turn your ideas into tangible achievements that make a lasting impact. Key tips for improving execution and creating value. While having a great idea is often seen as the starting point for success, it is the execution of that idea that truly matters. Ideas alone are not worth much without proper execution. Many great ideas fail to reach their full potential because of poor execution. So, how can you improve your execution and create value? Here are some key tips to consider. 1. Set clear goals and objectives. Clearly define what you want to achieve with your idea. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals to keep your execution on track. 2. Develop a detailed plan and timeline. Create a step-by-step plan outlining how you will bring your idea to life. Break it down into smaller tasks, set deadlines, and create a timeline to ensure progress and accountability. 3. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with individuals who bring diverse skills and expertise to the table. A well-rounded team can enhance execution by leveraging different perspectives and capabilities. 4. Continuously evaluate and adapt. Regularly assess your execution strategy to identify what is working and what needs improvement. Be flexible and willing to adapt your approach as needed to overcome challenges and seize opportunities. 5. Foster a culture of accountability and innovation. Encourage a sense of ownership and responsibility among your team members. Promote an environment that values innovation, where everyone feels empowered to contribute their ideas and take calculated risks. By focusing on effective execution, you can turn your great ideas into tangible value. Remember, it's not just about the idea itself, but how well you execute it that will determine your success. Overcoming challenges and pitfalls in execution. Successfully executing a great idea is often easier said than done. Many ideas fail to yield the desired results because of the challenges and pitfalls encountered during the execution process. It is crucial to address these obstacles head-on to ensure that your idea creates value. One common challenge is the lack of effective communication and collaboration within the team. To overcome this, foster open and transparent communication channels, encourage active participation, and assign clear responsibilities. Another challenge is the resistance to change. To tackle this, provide clear explanations of the benefits of implementing the idea and involve the team in the decision-making process. Additionally, ensure proper resource allocation, regularly review progress, and be open to adapting your strategy if necessary. By proactively addressing these challenges, you can significantly increase the chances of successfully executing your great idea and turning it into a reality. In conclusion, it is essential to understand that great ideas alone are not enough. The true value lies in how effectively those ideas are executed. Without proper execution, even the best ideas can remain stagnant and yield no results. To maximize the potential of your ideas, focus on implementing them with precision, dedication, and continuous improvement. By doing so, you can transform great ideas into tangible, valuable outcomes.